Yo. Is he going to do it? Is he going to finally rip up here? Yo, what up, Austin? Oh, got tested for STDs last week. Doc said, yo, Jim Blad, what up? What up, Reese? What up, Keyshawn? Yo, what up, Corey? So I locked in a payout. I mean, I locked it in earlier, but I am going to I'm going to request the payout freaking after hours. And we'll see if they pay me. We'll see if I get paid. I'm back. I'm back with an iced coffee. I don't even know what the fuck this is. I don't even know what that is. What's up, Jim? If we can get above 465, I would say you probably have a nice ride to the top. Yo, where's Design Knob at? Anybody actually know where Design Knob is? Yo, what up, Marco? Where is freaking Design Knob? Did he just... Is he stuck behind Wendy's? Is Wendy's not letting him out? Bro. He was around every day and now has not been seen in like weeks. I'm kind of getting worried.
Freddie Mac shares extend gains to 9.5%, a session high.
I emailed Dell to see if all was good, by the way. He never responded. In like 3 weeks, I'll email Design Knob and be like, bro, I just want to know, are you alive? Just tell me you're alive. The worst part about emailing Dell through Design Knob? Crazy. Dude, worst part, I emailed Dell and Marie emailed me back and said, Dell's not allowed to receive any emails. I was like, what the fuck? Yo, if you see him, tell him I said what's up, and I'm wondering if he's alive. Trading stock. Be like, yo, man, Cove wants to know if you're alive. Add him in the chat. Say, I was like seriously worried about the guy.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know why it says that. I'm up 360. I don't know why. 370, 385. I don't know why. I don't know why it gets stuck like that on TradingView. I don't know what the deal is. Bro, that was a great trade. Yo. And Q. So I personally, I don't know what happened to it. So I don't know why I got rid of it, but there was a small inversion between these. Actually, this closed over it, and that's when I became bullish on this. Just that's how I was envisioning the trades. Oh, by the way, yeah, that account that was red is now green. All my accounts are green now, except for this one. My pro account that was red earlier is now green. These accounts are all green. I a massive drop during that was a massive drop. Let's see if I can turn this one back. Yo, smash the confetti. Bro, I mean, that was such a nice pop. That was like 40 points. That was like a 40-pointer.
Seeing here, Google are poised to lose 2 more AI staffers to Anthropic.
China's actions are deeply destabilizing. Ooh, what's going on with China? Anybody know off the top of their head what's going on with China? China!
So Alphabet shares quickly turned negative for 0.6%.
China! Yo, what I don't understand. What US is concerned by reports that Chinese Coast Guard vessels operating waters of East Taiwan harass commercial ships. Ooh. Yo, oil is flowing out of the strait pretty good, by the way. $255 and I passed the TPT account. Bro, you could do that. If you went 18 minis, all you need is like a point. What up, Zone? Yo, you taking this short, by the way?
Order filled.
I'm keeping it small. I'm keeping it small in case it goes the other way. The small ones won't hurt me. I'm worried about the big losses.
Order filled.
I'm just taking this off. I don't think it's fine. I think it's going to go. Good afternoon, Arrow. I got my iced coffee. I'm worried. What up, Neil? What up, what up? Turn it all green.
Trump said had a really good GOP meeting. Excuse me, Trump said had a really great GOP meeting and had a great meeting with lawmakers.
Bro, he just had a really great meeting. I believe that. I think didn't we just win the war again, I think?
So currently Trump speaking to reporters at the Capitol after the Senate GOP lunch.
Jesus.
So Trump touts oil price and job numbers. And Trump says Iran is agreeing to everything I want and they have to.
Yo, Iran's agreeing to everything I want, and they have to. Bro. Listen, I'm not saying he's lying, but I'm not saying he's a liar, but
Order filled.
it seems a little weird. Listen, we're all realistic here. I'm just trying to play the rejection right here. If it goes over, so be it. Come on. Come on down, little buddy.
And Trump ends remarks.
Bro, this guy's fucking wild. What up, Tawan? Yeah. Do I think Iran is agreeing to everything we want? They're going to stop me out of this thing? I'm going to get stopped out. Do not get stopped out. Do not get stopped out. Dude. Oh my God. Bro. I should have just got out even. Honestly, I'll take getting out even. Forex Elite. You're shorting this move. I literally was just going after an IB retest short. Are you not pleased with it? I was just seeing if I can get a scalp off of 324 back down to 500. That is all. I long the break. What up, Maritime? I long the break, and it just, I got out with gains, but I got out. Wasn't my best trade in the world, but it was a good one. Nah, man. Hey, I want you to ask questions, dude. Don't ever feel like you can't type in the chat, man. And you can ask as many questions as you want on why I do anything. I definitely agree that the price action is up. I was just looking to take a quick scalp and an eval. That's all I was looking for. But I do want you to ask, man, why are you doing this? I mean, I always counter going against the trend. Trend's my friend. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, dude. This is as friendly as it gets. You guys can say whatever, man. I want you to ask. I tell people this is more of a community than watch me trade. Like, there's like a gazillion ways to trade. Do I have the best way to trade in the entire world? Probably not. But it works for me. I like to hang out, shoot the shit with everybody in the chat, and have some fun. That's what it's about.
Alphabet shares lose some ground with volume pickup, last down about 0.1%.
Order filled.
Dude, that's a double click right there. Oh, that was a double click.
Order filled.
I only meant to buy one, but my mouse that I cheaped out on when I bought it on Amazon double clicked me in. Yo, what up, Yusuf? Man, this freaking boom, 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 boom.
Order filled. Order filled.
So I bought that at 29 and sold it out at 48. So I'm just going to go to break even on the rest of this, and we'll see what happens. It looks like it's not going to bounce. I'm out at break even. I'm okay with that. Oh my God, did that just happen to me? Bro, that's crazy. It literally came down and got me at the bottom. Yo, I just got bottom ticks. I hope you guys are still in it. Bro, Forex, I got an Amazon basic bitch mouse. Please, Amazon, don't hear that. I still want my Prime. Do not cancel my Prime. I love you, Amazon. Oh man. I need to put this mouse on this computer and this mouse on my laptop. I just haven't done it yet. I have no idea why I haven't done it. Oh, let me turn this freaking 8. Yo, what up, NQ? Oh.
NYMEX WTI crude August futures settle at $70.34 a barrel, down $2.87 or 3.92%. NYMEX gasoline July futures settle at around $2.88 a gallon. NYMEX diesel July futures settle at around $3.17 a gallon, and NYMEX natural gas July futures settle at $3.22.
I guess oil and gas just settled. Do we get back above previous day low and rip? What is that, 575? I don't know. As long as you continue to hold over 500, I think that's a massive win. Dude, you're cooking on it? Go get a payout, bro. I want to hear that you got paid. I want to hear that you drive a Range Rover, make bank, get ass. Oh, get paid. This thing's gonna, I would love to see consolidation here for a little bit. They're gonna give one of those candles, I bet. Yesterday I coined the phrase, it's a teabag candle, so it'll break out of the bottom of the flag to the downside, and then it'll come right back up into the flag and then break up. Let's see if we get one of those. Get it to come all the way down like to 500 and then right back up. I definitely think the play is to the upside, though. You're definitely going to lose in general sometimes. I would say, Devin, how many accounts are you blowing where you're just following your strategy? You're not scaling up on contracts. You're not revenge trading. All you're doing is following your exact strategy. I bet you not many accounts, right? I think a lot of people have to look at their trading and say that, like, you know, if you're losing a lot, you just got to reflect and say, hey, is my strategy bad? Or is it just the mental side where I'm fucking revenge trade because I can't take a loss? You know, I can't, as soon as I take a loss, I got to get back into it. I start sizing up to make up for it. Now I'm down half the account. You know, I think you got to look at yourself and see which it is, because it's probably not your strategy. And if it is your strategy, you should get just back testing. There's so many tools out there that are free right now that you could easily test. You know what I mean? Bro, this is a great day, Sean. Like Tony the Tiger. Great. I have one fucking red account and I can't take it. This is my one red account. Honestly, 478 would be a great spot. You got a fair value gap inversion on the 5 there, plus it's the 50% line of this, the FVG that came up, 477. I want to see what happens at that level. That's what I'm watching. Waiting. What is ES? NQ's below. You also have all these wicks right here. See all these wicks?
Order filled.
All right, so it just hit that 77 level. Literally, I bought at 77. Listen. Oh my God. I was just up. Really? You're not going to get my order? Oh, it's going to get my order, all right. I fucking feel like it's going to get my order. Are you telling me you couldn't get my order right there? Right there? And then bring it back up and get me paid? Just remember, if you're up, take your money. Don't hold because I'm holding.
Order filled.
There, I'm out. I thought I was making more than $67, but I'm out. That level just made sense. You got, yeah, I'll do the paintbrush. You have this inversion, right? You got the 50% line on this fair value gap. It just made sense to take a bounce off of that. And then worst comes to worst, right under this is all these wicks for support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks of support. I'm not saying we're going to ultimately reverse and go up, but for you to get a bounce out of this area made sense. That's all you can do is set probabilities up. Is it going to work like that every time? Probably not. Nothing's 100%. All you do is put the probabilities in your favor. This thing is looking freaking not great. You're retesting the tops here. You kind of want to get out of this and up. I'm tired. What's up, Tim? Tim, I'll answer your email today. Dude, I got an awesome fucking dinner I'm making today, by the way. Just for you guys that didn't see earlier, I made this shit earlier. No, I made that last night. I'm gonna make some freaking Mexican. Dude, they got such good recipes on this thing. Yeah, man, I cook. You know what, man? I kind of just fucking decompress from the day and cook. And I keep it kind of easy. I do a lot of crock pot stuff. I do a lot of skillet stuff. You know, I'm not doing a lot of crazy shit. Like, food's really good though. I just keep it pretty. What is Mexican beef and rice. Yeah, tonight is this. Holy shit, there you go. There's a dump. That's tonight. I don't like how far that just came down, by the
So
way.
according to Insider, Google delays Gemini 3.5 Pro launch to July.
I wonder if that's what. Yo, Sean, you didn't like today? What didn't you like about today? What strategy didn't work? Dude, I don't ever sell calls, to be honest. You close wait premature closulation. It happens. It definitely happens. Oh man, I have a feeling the hourly comes back up to like 568. Is that up here? Dude, I kind of. Depending on where this hourly closes, I think we go back up. It happens to everybody. Yo, this looked really good on the 15, and they just shit on it. They literally just shit on it. You can kind of see where it rejected, though. Like, you have. Bro, MU earnings after hours. Yo, you could probably play the Qs after hours. Yo, you're going to take like one micro and just hold it to see if it goes down there? It's just going to just don't.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, push it. Get below. Whatever. I do a lot of those free trades where I sell half for a quick gain like that, 40 something bucks, 42 bucks, and then I just go to like a little bit better than break even. It just locks in gains and it locks in a scalp. And
According
if they
to
let it,
Qualcomm data center chief, Microsoft to deploy Qualcomm's high bandwidth compute chip at Azure data centers.
if they let it go, I'm in it. If not, I can't lose. I just like doing that shit. Oh, you know what I need? Fuck. Yo, I need to know how much money. I think I need like fucking $3 or something. Such a price drop. Bro, they're dumping it. I don't think it's done. I don't think it's done. I need to make 289. Let me see. So I need to make $289 in this account to count as a day. Let's do it. So these are all my funded accounts.
Brent crude futures settle at $73.74 a barrel, down $3.34 or 4.33%.
These are all my fucking funded accounts on so I need to get this to 89, basically $90. I need 13 more dollars in this account. How hard could $13 be? You think I can get $13? Is that going to net me? Damn, Fred. Twice I go from plus. Jeez. Oh, I could have made just generational wealth on this fucking short. No, I don't want to do that. Oh. Bro, I need 13 fucking dollars to just count as a trading day.
So Qualcomm announces third generation AI chip targeted for 2027.
It's going to bounce. Holy Jesus. I should just go the other way. Aim for 30. What would that be? That'd be like 12, right? Yo, whoever said they were aiming for 370 should have went in short. Look at this freaking day, though. What's happened? Trump went to go talk and he trips. Somebody tied his shoes together and he face planted, and the market's going down.
So Qualcomm shares lose ground with volume rise as data center chief speaks at Investor Day, last down more than 5%. The Nasdaq 100 extends losses to 1%.
So something's going on with Qualcomm and the data centers. That's what this guy's talking about. Qualcomm, Microsoft to deploy Qualcomm high bandwidth compute chips. I don't know why that's a negative, but
And just seeing here from Qualcomm data center chief, Qualcomm will be delivering meaningful revenue for customer silicon at the end of calendar year starting Q1 2027.
yeah, I don't know why it's down. They're at an investment conference right now. That's what I love about listening to this. You get exactly what's going on. Bro, I almost just shorted that. You got to bounce soon. You got to bounce soon. There needs to be a bounce somewhere. We need to look left. Oh, to see where? You got 231.
Order filled.
I just got what I needed to get. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. Oh. Done in that. I need to turn this account green. I got to make this account green again.
And Qualcomm to launch data center CPU in mid-2028.
Just trying to keep getting payouts. I got this one coming today. So I can take out anything over 52,350. So it's about $700 I could take out today. This thing looks weak as shit. I don't know, man. I don't even think this is the bounce. How are you doing today, Ms. Goody? Are you up? I know you said you played YM. The old YM.
Treasury 10-year yield falls 10 basis points on the day to 4.396%.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know why that didn't fucking...
Alphabet shares hit session low, last down nearly 1%
Order
after announcing
filled.
delay to Gemini 3.5 Pro launch to July. So Qualcomm saying Meta plans to use C1000 CPU in its data centers, with Qualcomm saying Dragonfly C1000 CPUs coming in 2028.
Order filled.
I'm just going to grab 3. I just want to see if it goes all the way back up. That's all. I'm just curious if it goes all the way back up or not. Yeah. There's a small one on the 1 minute. It's super tiny. I usually like the 5 the best, but that's all the way up at 424. I can't if it
Meta
goes
CEO says
that
agreement with
high,
Qualcomm is for multi
I
generations.
can't then buy. So I'm taking a shot down here. What is on the 5? There's a huge fair value gap right here to invert. So I'm just going to break even right now. Oh yeah, look at this shit. This is a funded account, by the way. I might take this one off. Man, I was just going to take this. I'll move my stop up. This is up. This is just going for it. Oh, this is money, 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 money. Anyone taking this ride? Anyone get on the train? Choo, choo. Keep going. Straight crushed it. Yo, what up, Myth? Just freaking locking payouts in. Yo, that was wild. How you been, man? We are in the IC macro. Holy shit, did we get out? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Somebody just got destroyed. Somebody just got destroyed. Holy shnikes. I'm deciding on if I want to play some of these other accounts. I think I'm going to be done with these. It's 3 o'clock. These are all funded accounts. This one's $200 away from a payout. I think I'm just going to lock this in for the day. Traders Launch doing the they do the freaking every daily payouts. Yo, you know you could trade news on those, Smith, if you wanted to. You could just hammer news. I don't think people realize that. You can literally, you can, if you have like 3 of them, I think you can YOLO news on one. Don't fucking quote me on that. But I think if you have, how many funded accounts do you have? 3? I think you can YOLO news on one.
Brent crude futures fall more than 5% in
Yeah,
extended
so you have
trading
2,
as supply
yeah. I think the
concerns
max is
ease, with
3.
more oil tankers exiting the Strait of Hormuz.
Yeah, I think it's 3. Yeah, I know you can YOLO. I know they're one of the few that allow you to do bro, my Claude took my fucking gold off. Damn, gold's back under 4,000. Ooh, baby. Somebody bought a bunch of gold over 5,000. It's like, ooh, how do I go back in time and not buy the gold at 5,000? Oh, this is getting dirty. This is just selling off, man. Traders Launch, they have debt. The hardest part is getting over the funded. Actually, the hardest part is probably your first $1,000 in an eval. and then it becomes a static eval. And then if you could pass, the funded account is just kind of, there's no rules. The hardest part is getting out of the initial, like your first couple trades need to be green, if I remember correctly. It's like one of those that kind of rewards you if you can get out of the base. Oh, you could have up to 5 funded accounts. Yeah. So what they do is different. It's like profit target is 2,000, max drawdown's 1,000, but it locks at starting balance. So if you make over $1,000, it goes static. So if you go up 1,500, you know it doesn't matter. The drawdown stops at the initial balance. So you got to get out of that first 1,000. No, I'm just kind of explaining it, Sean. Like that's your best bet is to get out of the first 1,000, not fucking YOLOing, but actually trading to get out of the first. You know what I mean? And then you basically got a static account. I was talking about Trader's Launch. They have daily payouts. You can YOLO dues. You can do it. It's pretty much like similar to TPT. You just got to get. That's the only difference. Sean's got to get it on Tradeify though. When Tradeify, Sean? Yeah, you can't YOLO. The accounts in the very beginning are not built for YOLOing.
So Brent WTI crude futures settle at their lowest level since Iran war began at the end of February.
Sean, now you can hear the news. Bro, I'll just keep asking. You know, any daily money's freaking money. I take money. I'll take any money. Daily? Dude. You know what dude's got to do for $200? Jeez. You don't even want to know. Sean, the guy that's talking is what you hear all the time. Is what you don't hear all the time. So crude futures settle at the lowest level since the Iran war began at the end of February. That's actually great news. Google is poised to lose 2 more AI staffers to Anthropic. Trump had a really good GOP meeting. He was talking about winning the war for the 18th time. I hope we rip up. I hope we rip up. My fucking alarm just won't stop beeping. Hold on one second. Oh. I just unlocked the door, so hopefully Amazon man doesn't come in. Don't want the Amazon guy. Bro, for some of you guys that don't know, I was streaming live one day, and the Amazon guy who makes deliveries literally opened my front door and came in. Walked into my house, like 7-8 feet into my house. That last trade put me up $70 on the day. You know what people have to do on Craigslist for $70? Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, Steven. Just keep stacking it, man. Be smart. Don't try to force it or anything. Just be smart about the trades. Bro, he took his shoes off. Yeah. Bro, that was wild, though. Bro. Guy got a little crazy. Dude, this thing just straight dumping. That's a straight dump ski. Straight dump skeet. I am, bro, taking it really slow, keeping my side. Yeah. That's it. Dude, at the end of the day, Steven, like, you got to think, like, what would $70 extra a day do for you? And then, like, say you're progressing and you're doing 3 accounts at a time. You know, what would $210 do for you a day extra? Like, that's what you got to think about. It's not rushing it. It's not anything. It's just waiting and then just extracting money from the market. That's all it is. Just wait and wait and wait. Remember, no one forces you to get in. This isn't a sport where, you know, you have to make a goal in a certain amount of time, or like, you decide when you go in, if you go in. You know, if you want to make a move, you're deciding the whole thing. Bro, did I tell them I take deliveries in the rear? I don't know why, but certain Amazon guys are delivering my packages like on the side of my house, where my driveway goes like down and under my house, and they're like delivering it down there. The other day I went back there and I don't understand. Yeah. I'm telling you, soon there'll be no delivery guys, man. It's all going to be robots. It's going to be robots all day for Amazon. That's how they're going to roll. Well, I think it's going to start off on. They might do drones with like packages less than a pound, but it's definitely going to be autonomous vehicles, and like a robot just grabs shit, rolls down something, and drops it off at your house. For the majority of areas, obviously, if you're in like an apartment building, I don't know how that's going to work. But I do think, you know, maybe in New York City, it probably wouldn't work out well. But I think in a suburban type environment, you can easily have autonomous vehicles with a robot that comes out and drops the goods off, or a drone dropping packages that are under a pound off without any issues. Yeah. I think Amazon's going to be the big winner of AI. if I get a big drop on Amazon, it's something that I'm looking forward to adding. Yo, you going in long? Oh. I am always scalping. Do not follow. Do not follow. Do not follow. I think this thing's just going to dump the fuck out. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm up a ton today again, and I'm kind of just chilling out. I got this one red account.
Order filled.
Let me just see if I would not take this trade in any account other than an account that's down. How's that sound? I'm just seeing if the trend just keeps going. I should go right above like 52-ish. Bro, I got an itch I can't fucking scratch. Oh my God, that feels so good. Come on down, little buddy. I'm gonna get out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Stochastics are turning up. We're way below 20. I'm out. I'll get it. I'll get you back, Green. Close over 306. I'm in long, by the way.
Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson says contradictory US statements on the MOU to end the war will not help in reducing Iranians' mistrust.
306 is my close. I need a close, though. A 1 minute close.
Order filled.
I just bought prematurely, but I think it's going to close over it.
Order filled.
Nope, don't you dare. I'm okay with whatever happens here. Just this 1 minute has to stay above 99. If we get a 1 minute close under 99, I'm out. Just an FYI. If this pops above 320, my stop will get moved to 89. If we get this nice rest candle and then push through, I'm in more contracts than I wanted to be. I'm in probably 3 more contracts than I wanted to be. I want to see this candle has to go over 319. If not, I'm not liking it. Nah, it's losing it. See how it's invalidating? See how it just invalidated it? It's not closed yet, but that is not what you want. That is not what you want. I'm out.
So, Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson says the US must avoid interpretations contrary to explicit text of war end MOU and fulfill its commitments. And Walt says Iran sanctions are not being lifted, it's temporary. So, again, US Ambassador to the UN, Walt, speaking on Fox News.
Did I just get fucking stopped out at the bottom?
According to CBS, Trump asked to make 15% ethanol gas blend permanent.
The problem is there's a bunch of back and forth. If you could hear the Iran guy is fucking speaking right now. Or their spokesperson is talking shit. Basically saying what Trump is saying is a lie, is basically what he just said. Fuck me, man. Honestly, that's why I don't really trade funded accounts towards the end of the day. I mean, your green is green. You know? I know it sucks, but it could be worse. It could be a lot worse, man. You know?
And Walt says it's a temporary license while we undergo negotiations.
This goes over 319, I'm back in. Got a little inverted head and shoulders here. I can't believe they got me out at the bottom, though. I got. You think it's going lower?
Walt says Iran unfrozen funds will go into an escrow.
Order filled.
Whatever. I'm going to take this fucking...
And Walt says Iran will buy excess crops from US farmers.
This fucking guy won't stop talking. Trump to ask to make 15% more ethanol and gas blend permanent. Just fucking go. I think if it can get over here, you'll see some type of algo candle up. Dude, this is the fucking worst. It's got to happen with the next candle or two, or I'm out no matter what. I don't like how there we are. I don't like how stochastics keeps going up and price isn't following at all. I want to see a break out of here. Nah, this is looking fucking dog shitty.
Order filled.
I'm just out. I'm out on that shit. I got one account left. Come on. Yo, I know that shit. What up, Tris? Yeah, I mean, listen, any day you end up green is a positive day. Dude, where's the juice to push this thing the fuck up? I knew as soon as I sold out of that TPT account, bro, I should have went all in with grandma's money. They're like, he's out. Pump it. He's out. I know exactly what happened. I will say though, this is a funded account. So if I'm gonna make money in one account, this is the account to make it in. I'm wondering how much money I'm up in here today. All right, I can't fucking lose. I feel like it should take $100, but I'm just not. I feel like it should definitely just take $100. Come on. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Oh, it's such dog shit. It's such dog shit. Look at that thing. I just got
So
stopped
includes
out.
US Ambassador to the UN Walt's remarks on Fox News.
Bro, that thing's dog. Oh. I get it, man. I'm trying to learn to take my small gains and call it a day. Sometimes I'd rather finish off red than to finish the day up with a small green. Yeah. Oh, my God. Just come back down. Don't you fucking dare go.
I know you guys are good with all this ordering stuff online. You see these engines? I'll go home to the site. I want the door to be able to stay open like this without putting something like that.
My fucking dad sending me videos. Oh my God. Tell me that's not just up a bunch. Fuck me, man. Dude. Bro. I literally got wicked out at the very motherfucking bottom. Look at that. Look at that. That's 12 micros at the bottom. The bottom. And then I was just tired of it. I got out here. Bro, then it pumped 60, 70 fucking points. Tell me somebody in the chat took this. Tell me somebody at least made money on it. If it's not me, at least you could make it. Fuck. At least I know I'm looking at the right shit. Thanks, DBT. Dude, oh my God. Why did I sell out? Bro, you think it's going... Yo, if this goes to 630... This shit ain't going up to no 630, bro. 630? NQ said, well, that was fun. I just lost power while getting a train on. What? All the dudes left already? Freaking stop and don't take profit on the chart yet. We're going to bounce. Yo. Everyone clean up all right? So anyways, wow, past my TPT eval. I've been so bad with these TPT accounts for some reason. Yo, you just got to take your time. You got 5 days. Oh, with a trade on. Bro, I had no idea what you were talking about. I thought you were... you don't even want to know what I was. I have no idea what you're talking about. I thought you were fixing a train or... I don't know. I don't know what was going on. Bro, that's luck. Holy shit. Yes. I thought you were fixing trains or something. Like model trains is what I had in my head. That's my honest first thought was you were like in a basement fucking fixing model trains when the power went off. That's the first thing I thought about was I don't know why. During COVID, we went to this thing and it was like in a shopping mall, but it was in the basement and it was just model trains running everywhere. I thought of that when you said that. After hours, probably 410, 405. Do you imagine you came back and you were up like $2,000? I've had that happen like once or twice. The power didn't go out. I just accidentally left the trade.
Order filled.
I'm literally taking this 5-minute fucking trend break.
Order
It's
filled.
just not going. I just took $50 in this other account. I think it goes though. I think it's gonna go fucking high. I think you're gonna get a fucking massive run up here.
Order filled.
Go over it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I was trying to go to break even.
According to Fox, Trump seeks $672 million for removal of Iranian nuclear materials.
I think you could definitely keep going, but I'd like to see some consolidation come back down and then go. What is the break even? Bro, that's my safe word. Break even's my safe word. Yo, when the NQ is just hammering me, I'm like, break even, break even. Yo, ChatGPT gave me that I asked to make song titles, and that was one of the song titles yesterday. Break even is my safe word. Let's see. I'll tell you what some of the other ones were. I was gonna make some AI songs. Here. Slippage in the sheets. Whip me, baby, one more time. The prop firm position. I don't know what that is. Cove Trader's Candle Club. The Golden Cross Romance. Love at First Fill. Trade Me Like You Hate Me. Fill My Limit Order. Bro, these are all titles for AI songs. I don't know. I was trying to come up with some good AI songs, but it stopped. I never got there after making my ATR is huge. I never got to actually do it. I'm watching. Yo, there you go, Fred. There you go. Bro, MOC has got to be up, right? Are we not going up? Dude, this is going to look really good on a freaking break. I wonder if it does a teabag handle. You know, when it comes down, gives you a little teabag and then it goes back up. I'll be watching for that. Teabag candle down to like 59. What's up, Joyce? I think I saw that in a on Wikipedia, actually. That's a Wikipedia term. I like that rock song you had. Oh, the Wick Tickler?
Order filled. Order filled.
So seeing here, Anthropic accuses Alibaba of illicitly accessing AI models. Alibaba had no comment on Anthropic's claims. So
Order
Anthropic's
filled.
letter on Alibaba sent to US senators and the White
All
House,
right. So I
with
locked
Anthropic
in
making a claim about
basically
Alibaba in
96 off
letters to
this
US
trade.
officials.
I'm in it here too. I just got stopped out for 196. Damn, since March? Oh, come on. Go up. Bing, bing. Didn't really work. Oh, man. Bro, if you don't laugh on that, I can't help you. That shit was funny as hell. I watch that shit later and laugh. I'll watch that later and laugh. Oh, man. Hey, if you're not entertained a little bit, I mean, you know, we're here to have fun. Here to have fun also. Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, this thing's just going for it. Dude, I don't think I could follow this. I mean, ultimately, I think you can get up to 562. Yo, we're here to talk about the trading floor back in 1976. Bro, I forget that guy's name. I can't. Oh, man. Hey, guys. This is how it was. There's always one red account. All the time. Always one red account. I do think I'm waiting for a pullback. I think they can take this back up. No, the guy on Topstep that comes on and he's old as shit and he's telling everybody how the fucking market used to be on the trading floor. I'm like, bro, no one cares, man. Nobody cares. Bro, they gotta have a fucking Topstep should show what everyone's P&L is on that show for the year. That's what they need to do. If you're on that show, you should have to show your P&L. Show me what you've done
Seeing
the
a bit
last
more with his
60
Anthropic story,
days.
Anthropic claimed campaign by operators linked to Alibaba's Quen AI lab targeted Claude software engineering and agentic reasoning.
Go short. I go short right now, do I send you a Venmo request if I blow the account? I'm just joking. I don't know about it. It might dip. I'm not. Yo, I had the greatest idea ever, TJ. If you wanted to have a lot of followers, you create a Twitter account that literally alerts you anytime they're in to fade it. You would have a ton of followers on that. A ton. That's the ultimate idea. Anybody in here that wants to do it? Oh, you want to do numbers game real quick? It's up to you guys. You guys want to do a numbers game real fast? I'll do it. We got to do it quick, though. Got to do it quick. All right.
So seeing here, Blackstone extends drop to session low.
If you're new, yo, that's a good call out, Van. I see you, Van. If you really got that short, Van, bro, you just teabagged the market. Oh, baby. That was a good call. That was a real good call, man. Dude, you ain't shit me, man. That was like 50 points. All right, you ready, set, go. Oh, I'm not going to be able to freaking see this. Ooh. Dude, so many people. It was so close. Oh, my God. Did somebody really just do that? Ooh, I think somebody just got it. Yo, the number's 56. Bro, so many people just clicked in 55. Let's see who won. So far, I have Texas Tommy. Nope. Sean. Anyone beat Sean to it? I'm looking. Nah, Sean won. Jeez. What's crazy is I didn't even see that you typed that until I saw Texas Tommy's first. Bro, so many 55s. Rigged. Absolutely rigged. Sean's going, what's Wednesday? Wet and Wild Wednesday? Maybe we'll just do. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'll figure it out. Bro, potential spam. Why are you calling me? The walrus? Are there? Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Yo, by the way, my hat came in here. Which way is MOC going? I think somebody sent me something in Discord. Yo, yeah, they blacked you out.
According to the
Yeah,
information, Intel backed AI chip firm Sambanova to quintuple valuation to $10 billion.
holy shit. That happens every once in a while. Yo, what's up, Peter L? Dash, 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 me. Boom. Yo, 210 billion? Wait, what is that? Did he just say something? I saw the valuations going up. Yo, Trump needs 672 million for removal of Iranian nuclear materials. What? Intel backed IA chip from Sam Nova to Quench. Bro, are you shitting me?
So Cerberus shares extend decline to 19% to drop below IPO price.
Just so you guys are aware, we all know we're in the AI bubble, right? Like, we're all aware that this is an AI bubble. Everyone knows that? Oh, the
1 minute
British.
remaining for the market on close imbalance data.
Like, Dell going up double, like doubling valuation in like a month is not realistic. We all are aware of that situation, right? Like, you ride it, you definitely ride it until the end. Just realize at the end, your last trade, like if you're trading stocks or options, like your last trade is going to be a loser. But you just got to be fine with that. Is it really a bubble? I think there's certain companies that are the valuation is through the roof.
10 seconds.
Oh, here comes fucking MOC.
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 2.2 billion, Nasdaq
Order
100
filled.
buy side 1.4 billion, Dow 30 buy side 180 million, Mag 7 buy side 841 million.
Is he going to just push or no?
Order filled.
Whatever. I'll take 87 real quick. I mean, I think that companies are not going to get, I don't think companies are going to get back what they're spending on AI. It's like certain companies
So a
are going to be
reminder at 4 p.m.
big
Eastern Time, we're
winners.
expecting Micron Technology Q3 2026 earnings with an estimated EPS of $20.49, estimated revenue 35.63 billion.
I think there's going to be some big winners. I think there's going to be a lot of losers, just like the .com bubble. .com, there are winners. There's a lot of losers. Today was fucking great. Dude, if every day was like this, I would have generational wealth in 3 weeks. I just think certain valuations on the stocks and companies are just kind of up there. Micron's going to move the market, by the way. I'll tell you right now when earnings are coming out, just so you know. Earnings whispers. All right. Oh, it's going to come out at the bell. Holy shit. Okay. Yo, drive a Range Rover and get ass. Why I stick to Amazon options. I think Amazon really hasn't moved though, Code. Like, bring up Amazon over the last, I don't know, 5 years. Where's it really gone? Back in 2020, 2021, Amazon was at 186, and now it's at 235. It's probably the lowest PE, trading at the lowest PE it's ever traded at. What's the IBL? Initial balance low? I don't have that. I have 522. I have like 522. I don't know where you got that. Yeah, I think it's eventually going to go though. So back in the day, it stuck in a range for a while, and then it just freaking went. I'll tell you exactly when. It did it. Oh, yeah, from 2018 to 2020, it basically traded back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It didn't really do shit. And then eventually it went. Oh, 6:30. Man. Honestly, I kind of hope we trade down. I would love to go back to like 27,000. Man, I love this too. When we broke this to the freaking upside, I actually loved it. I didn't love the time of day. So, who's trading Micron? Anyone trading Micron? How are you trading it? Are you just going to go in short? I don't trust it personally. I'll rip one of these Apex accounts. I'll rip an Apex joint that I don't really care about. That's basically done. Here, 161. I got $161 of freaking drawdown here.
So, reminder, just under 5 minutes' time, we're expecting Micron Technology Q3 2026 earnings, estimated EPS $20.49, estimated revenue $35.63 billion.
Yo, the old $19 special code. hey, that's what Apex accounts are, you know, that's what stands out among the other accounts is that they're inexpensive. That if you want to play Micron News, you can play Micron. It's not a big deal where I'm not loading up a fucking $100 account here.
Order filled.
I want to see this drop, and then I get in with a stop, and then I can stay in during Micron News. You kind of get my strategy here. If it doesn't drop, I get out, but I would like to be. I'm not going to. They're going to stop me out. I really would like to be in a position at break even on Micron News if I was going to play. All I hear is horror stories from Apex. What, from Brian? I lied to everybody, stonk, because he got kicked off the platform, or Matt and hide the neon cucumber that got kicked off. I don't know, man. I'll be honest with you. You know, it's hard to take unbiased opinion from people who have been kicked off the fucking prop firm. That's like, if you got kicked out of a restaurant, are you going to leave a good review? Probably not. Probably not, right? It's hard to trust anybody that told you that they were mastering gold and silver while they were churning and burning accounts behind the scenes and then telling everybody that they got the best strategy ever, or that lied about payouts when they were pushing in affiliate commissions as payouts. So it's kind of hard to trust those people personally.
Short expecting Micron earnings.
That's just how I feel about it. I don't know. I'll just fucking play this. I think they got that thing that they don't want you to do the orders on both sides. What are we hedging tonight, boys? Yo, yeah, man. You guys don't even realize the shenanigans that go on behind the scenes. Bro, it's wild. I think it's going to pop and then dump. You can only do... You can only do
here, banks pass Fed stress test paving way for shareholder payouts.
Did it just come out? Dude, if it dumps right here, what are the odds? Yeah, it's at 523.
Order filled.
Probably shouldn't have bought that many contracts.
Order filled. Order filled.
See Micron earnings coming in here. Adjusted gross margin 84.9%, a beat on the estimate of 81.9%. Micron automotive and embedded revenue 4.63 billion, 4.63 billion, a beat on the estimate of 3.51 billion. Still waiting on further data.
Yo, it's ripping.
So again, just seeing here, adjusted gross margin 84.9%,
Order filled.
beat on the estimate of 81.9%. Micron sees Q4 adjusted revenue at $49 billion to $51 billion, which is right on the range of estimate of 43.24 billion. Excuse me, that was a beat on the estimate of 43.24 billion.
Boom!
Micron sees adjusted gross margin about 86%, which is a beat on the estimate of 83.6%. So seeing Micron move up in the post market here. With Micron shares gaining 4% after Q4 sales forecast top estimate, Micron says customers rapidly growing demand.
Better you being late than your side chick.
So Micron adjusted EPS $25.11, a beat on the estimate of $20.49. Again, adjusted EPS $25.11, a beat on the estimate of $20.49.
Yeah, I shouldn't have played. I mean, this account had $160
Adjusted revenue
bucks in drawdown.
41.46 billion, a beat on the estimate of 35.69 billion. So again, adjusted revenue 41.46 billion, a beat on the estimate of 35.69 billion. Operating income 33.68 billion, a beat on the estimate of 27.86 billion.
Steven, this is risky as shit. I used an eval that was down. I wouldn't use any other accounts. I wouldn't use an account that was good. I'm just literally using.
The Micron declared quarterly dividend 15 cents per share, with Q3 mobile and client revenue 11.25 billion, a beat on the estimate of 9.73 billion.
Micron's up like $50. I'll tell you what, though. Bro, I told him if he doesn't talk fast, he's not going to get fed.
So Q3 core data center revenue 11.52 billion, a beat on the estimate of 6.8 billion.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. That was an awesome hit. Yo, all seriousness, though, it like lined up perfectly. You had this huge break. You had a freaking 5-minute inversion at 425. Yo, you got to wait for the conference call, though. The conference calls where you've had companies that are up 10%. The conference call comes on, and then it's down 10% at open. This thing's fucking ripping, though.
So seeing further here, core data center revenue 11.52 billion, a beat on the estimate of 6.8 billion. Cloud memory revenue 13.77 billion, a beat on the estimate of 10.69 billion. And adjusted EPS, seeing fourth quarter adjusted EPS at $30 to $32, with the estimate being $25.31.
Dude, he puts the lotion in the back test. Bro, that shit's wild. Jeez. Bro, you just had a hold. So easy. You just had a hold. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my God, bro. It's all the way at the top of the fucking. Bro, it's all the way. Look at that shit. It's all the way at the top of the orb. Anyone just take the short up here? I'm kind of. What? Yo, what up, Jay? Locked in a payout today. I got a bunch of accounts right at payout land pretty much. I'll probably push them over tomorrow.
Order filled.
Don't follow this. Do not follow this. Well, it's a free trade, boys. Free trade. Doesn't cost me anything. Oh, shit. I was actually up a bunch, too. I have a weird feeling it's going to be the top. Let's see if it hits up here. I'm just having some fun. Dude, Micron earnings were crazy. Crazy, crazy. But locked in a payout, basically green everywhere. The only where I'm not green is, this is the only account I truly traded today that is red. This I fucking YOLO'd on Micron earnings. But this is my only red account. I mean, dude, that's crazy. That's fucking wild, man. Oh, bro. Yo. What is better to buy as an account? Apex is cheap because you could buy a 5-pack at $19, but Lucid is a more quality firm. Honestly, if you've never bought a Lucid account, you get one for 50% off. Code Cove Trader is 50% off. This, I think it's 50K Flex is the easiest one to get a payout in, and it's only $70 all in. You don't remember when you had a payout? I got to help Steven get a payout because without a payout, he can't go to the Chinese massage parlor. That's what he told us yesterday. So I'm working with him to get him a payout. Yo, you should hang out here during the day, man. We're fucking crushing it. And you can ask questions. I actually answer you in the chat. Bro, I need you to get a payout, Steven. I need you to get a payout plus the extra $20 that you need.
So again, seeing SanDisk, Western Digital, Seagate follow Micron shares higher. According to a US official, Trump will include year-round sales of gasoline with higher volumes of ethanol in supplementary funding bill.
I haven't heard video proof in probably a year and a half, but hey, man, I'm here to help you out. Help me help you. But yeah, we crushed it today though. I need $200 in here for a payout tomorrow. So these are all funded accounts. They're all up. And I got these just to do a recap. This is a funded account. This is funded accounts up 360. This funded account's up 964. This one's getting a payout today of $700. This funded account is up 284. I got Bulenox up like 200. A TBT Pro account up 150. An Apex account funded up 284 over in Rhythmic. Things are really good. I don't know if they tried to bribe him. I mean, he got kicked off the platform. I don't believe anyone that gets kicked off the platform. Just being honest with you. Like, I'm just going to be honest with you. If you're going to get kicked off a fucking platform, I don't believe anything he says. But, you know, to each your own. Anybody got $400K for me to borrow to do some wild shit with? Oh, anyway, I'm back. So anyways. Yeah, my fund of future stops at 410. I'm going to load up some duckies. What's up, John? Yo, every time I see John Ball, I think of freaking John Wick. It's like something, John. Everyone keeps asking, are you back, John? You know what? I think I am back. I'll approve you right now, and I got you. I'll prove you right now.
So the Fed says the banks absorbed $700 billion in hypothetical losses and saw capital decline only 1.6%, remaining above minimum requirements.
I think you should be jabbed to keep a short. Nice. And you keep jabbing. Just keep jabbing. Dude, I love that shit. Just keep jabbing. I love when people say that they had like 50K. Yo, when they're like, yo, I had 50K of profits, and then they pushed me live with only like a 5K account. And I just respond, keep jabbing. Oh, shit. The fun you have on the internet. On freaking
Goldman Sachs plans to boost dividend to $5 a share from $4.50 a share.
Just keep jabbing, everybody.
So according to sources, Trump administration seeks $88 billion for Iran, farmers and Ebola.
Dude. Just going through this real fast. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we're about to run these things. I thought he said Ebola. I don't know what he was talking about. I have no idea what he was talking about. Tell you what, though. Let's get some tunes up in here. Now we got the AI section. Yo, you know who I missed today? Cartoon didn't come in today. I like his insight. Somebody's like, what?
Camel Toe Tuesday, giveaway time. Camel Toe Tuesday,
Camel Toe Tuesday,
giveaway time.
Bro, MU's way up. Way up. Alright, let's go. Who do we got? Bro, it's Wednesday. Jesus, bro. Yo, I could make a race for that. Jay. I need some lessons on NQ or an entire PhD. Yo, I'm just being honest. If you are not making money or not up consistently, you should ask questions in the chat. What up, Saba? Bro, MU news just pumped. Pumped. Yo, TJP. Yo, looks like you've been trading Topstep. Your duck's trading Topstep right now. Is TJ here or is he deucing? How many times you can enter? It's open like 3 times during the day you can enter. Yeah. Kind of, if you're in the chat, it's the perk of being in the chat. But you got to be on when we run this because TJP is taking a deuce right now, and you can't deuce. You got to be on here. Yo, yeah, you can join more than once. It opens. Say it opens at 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 3:30. If you got in 3 times, then. We do this every day. We do this every day, though. So, if you didn't win today, we're not done yet. TJP is not even here. Yeah, man, all good. That's a good question to ask. It kind of rewards the people that are hanging out because I try to give back to the community. Damn, Marie has good songs, and it's just like some guy screaming in my ear, like, nah. I'm like, whoa.
Oh no, not like this. Sean C caused this. So here we are.
Miss Goody.
I like big stops, I don't pretend. Tight stop traders get offended. One tick shake and they out to play. Marie still in like, yeah, I'm staying. Chart starts wiggling, Discord loud. Someone already panicking in the crowd. Stop too close, yeah, that ain't wise. Marie sitting comfy while the weekends cry. Chat moving fast, I'd say chill. Someone posting nonsense against their will. Cove reads a message, leans back slow.
Bruh, why would you even type that though?
Laughs a little, tries to refocus. Well, that just ruined mail for me, no hocus. Whole chat broken, stream derailed. Sean C smiling,
This is going great.
Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. Wicks get wild, she's still inside. When the market chops and the setup's dry, she widen that stop, let the trade decide. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. Tight stops cry, and that's why market don't go sideways. Cause I need cash now, somebody tweet something.
At that channel.
Save us somehow. Sideways candles, mental strain. Discord praying for volatility rain. Someone types it, everyone knows. Market don't go sideways.
There it goes.
If you get
Cold
offended
gals,
easily, do
no
not show
filter
up.
now. Bro, I need Trump to fucking tweet something bad right now. Chat explodes, nobody learns. Marie still holding while the market
Music
turns.
is played.
Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. That extra room keeps trades alive.
Ring
If
of
it
Fire
wicks down
to
hard, she won't comply with
all
fear-based
types of
exits
races.
or panic replies. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she
Sean has a
cannot
political
lie.
race
Discord
that he runs.
unhinged,
I don't
Sean
know.
C nearby.
It's a free-for-all.
If the song's stuck in your head all day, that's on him. We tried to say no, okay?
I had 3 good runs at it. I got no
This wasn't
chance.
necessary. This was
Yo, I'll tell you
avoidable.
what.
Sean C caused this.
Like I said, if anybody's not consistently, like, anyone's got a problem with trading, now's the time to ask. I can share my screen.
Marie still likes big stops.
Made a mint today. I gotta make that YM bot, by the way. I'm gonna make the YM bot as soon as I get off this stream, Miss Goody. Yo, is Prophet P here or is she deucing? Yeah, that's that side of it. Yo, Profit P is not in here? Oh, man. Dude, we need one more winner. I downloaded and installed the indicators last night, but didn't have time to figure out how to apply them. What indicators? I'll help you out right now. I'll help you out right now. What indicators?
Cove Trader!
Strawberries are the best. Is that what you want? Your strawberry on here?
Yeah!
Come on.
Fire it up!
Oh, yeah. Desiree. Desiree, you in here?
What a fail! Lights flash red and the charts ignite. Cove Trader live, it's a bloodbath night. NQ screaming, Wick's going insane. He's
I see
hunting
you.
every bottom like a man deranged. Candle drop fast,
you're
yeah,
about to
straight
get
to
your-
hell.
we're about to do it.
Can't panic, but he knows it well. Right at the bottom where the fear gets thicker.
What's that,
That's where
today's
you'll
Wednesday?
find him, the Wick tickler.
Heart rate spiking, finger on the click.
Dude, somebody wanted me to run some wild-ass race.
One more flush.
Yeah, bring that pain. He buys the bottom while you exit in the trade.
Come on, baby, one time.
Yo, you know what we haven't done in a while? Yo, I'm bringing this back.
Catching every bottom, don't ask me how.
I'm bringing this back today.
Scream it out loud. Cove
You
Trader
know what
riding
it
while he
is.
works the crowd. Market crashes, he don't flinch, no sir. Dancing on the edge like a risk taker. Turn it around, snatching every wick before it leaves the ground.
Bro, I don't even know what to say about this.
Screens glow hot like a backstage fight. Disco going feral on a Thursday night. Yo, another one pass, they scream while Cove keeps stacking like a cash machine. Price dips lower,
Bro,
yeah, fake
what
out
is that?
zone. Everybody
What's a
bailing, saying,
fish head?
man, I'm gone, but
Yo,
he
is
leans
that
in
fish
close
head
with a
white
devilish
versus
grin.
girl with
Watch
cannons?
this bounce, then he dives
The
right
dude from
in.
JP Morgan, is that what he was talking about? Fish head white and girl with cannons? Bro, come that shit. Dude, that was like the greatest
That's what
2-3
legends eat
days.
and the weekends
Bro,
cry.
JP Morgan guy?
Wick tickler Thursday.
Bro, that shit was hysterical.
Catching every bottom, don't ask me how. Screaming out loud, Cove Trader riding while he works the crowd. Market crashes, he don't flinch, no sir. Dancing on
Swing
the
that
edge
trunk.
like a risk taker.
Yo, is that a spaceship giraffe? Is that, that's
We've seen NATO
astronaut-
Root speak in the Oval Office meeting.
astronaut
Also,
giraffe.
Trump NATO disappointments are isolated cases.
So, look, one day we have to do 6 of them at a time in here. Sean. Yo, get the beat going. Holy shit. Dude, this is all the way at 30,000. Bro. That's wild.
Sideways chop trying to kill the vibe, but he's still lurking where the bottoms
That's
hide.
wild.
Fear in the market, blood in the street. That's where the Wick tickler eats.
And you is up
Wick tickler
$140 fucking dollars.
Catching every bottom, don't ask me
Dude,
how.
that's crazy.
Screaming out loud, Cove Trader king with a reckless crowd.
Wow.
Confetti flying, profits rain, turning market panic into straight up game.
Bro, I should have bought my pro account.
Run that sound,
I should have
snatching
bought
every
Mini my pro account. And just
before
held.
it hits the ground. On the fall. Yeah. Wick
Bro,
tickler
you bought-
Thursday.
If you bought 5 micros, if you bought 5 micros at close and just held, you'd have a $5,000 TPT payout if you were at buffer. Dude, I should have just freaking said F it. Especially that my pro account is kind of new. Just bought like 5 micros because 5 micros would have given me about 150 point down. I don't think I wouldn't have been down. And then once you're over the buffer, it doesn't matter. Race midday? Oh, you mean like do the ducks midday? The problem is it takes like 20, like from the duck finish to the end takes about 20 something minutes. So that's like 20 something minutes of not trading when people want to trade during the day. That's why I do it at the end. Like, I don't want to miss out on 25 minutes of trading. So that's why I do it then. Bro, that's crazy. Man, if you're new...
Trump says NATO has done a good job and that we're disappointed with Germany, France and Spain. Trump on Andy Burnham in the UK says, I hear he's extremely liberal. And Trump on UK's Burnham says probably won't open up North Sea.
Have Sean do it? I don't know. Sean doesn't even have access to the ducks. You got to be logged in on Streamlabs to do it underneath my YouTube. I would still have to gather the names, compile it, send it over. Yo, there you are. Yo, Cartoon, I might take a long at Globex, FYI. At Open, I might just long it. I'm either gonna straight long it. If we dip at Open, I'm probably gonna long it. If we open up high, I'm gonna wait till a pullback, and I think I might just long it and hold 5 micros. Do you approve it? Do you approve that strategy? I think it's gonna go. Dude, I think it's going to keep going up. Oh, I am not fucking shorting it. I'm looking long only. Long only for me. I think that's going to be the way. I don't think. I just don't see it. What about 2 micros? I mean,
Trump praises Erdogan and Xi for staying out of Iran, with Trump saying, I like Turkey's Erdogan.
I'm okay with the account not being here tomorrow. And on the same end, I might get 500 points to the upside. That's how I look at it. I think the risk reward for me is where it's at. 2 micros. I mean, you can, like, my stop is going to be 150 points. That's where my stop is. So as long as we don't pull back 150 points, I mean, you can always. I think also what you got to remember is, like, they're going to have a conference call at probably 5 o'clock, 5:30. So Micron, depending on what they say in this conference call,
finishing off the session with the
really
US
bad.
market wrap. Stocks rose in the late hours on expectations that Micron
really nice, though.
good outlook will help rekindle trust in the artificial intelligence trade, which has propelled the market comeback from wartime lows. A nearly $500 billion exchange traded fund that tracks the Nasdaq 100 surged 1% after regular trading ended. Micron, the largest US manufacturer of computer memory chips, rose 10% on a sales forecast that exceeded expectations following AI-fueled component shortages that sent prices rising. The S&P 500 closed
You know, I'm
barely
not saying you're
altered
going to hold it
during
here.
regular
I
trading
would have
hours,
got out
despite the
probably
fact
like
that the
up
majority
here.
of equities climbed. Oil wartime
Maybe
price
at
gains have
500.
mostly
Could have gotten
disappeared
nice
as
70
peace talks
points.
advanced,
I like
with Brent
setup was
trading
good.
below $74.
GDP is tomorrow
That
morning.
helped elevate inflation concerns on the eve of the Federal Reserve's crucial report, pushing bond yields lower. Two prominent AI researchers at Alphabet's Google are going to leave for rival Anthropic, according to individuals familiar with the situation, adding to a slew of high-profile departures that risk
What
undermining the search
is that
giant's
God
dominance in AI.
deem background?
Anthropic
What, the guy talking?
has accused Chinese technology behemoth Alibaba
The
of
guy
orchestrating
talking
a massive
or
campaign
a
to
fan
illicitly
sounding?
access its Claude artificial intelligence model via thousands of
The guy
bogus
talking in the
accounts, undermining
background?
the US AI's developers' resolve to keep its products out of China. And OpenAI introduced its first custom AI chip developed in collaboration with Broad.
Voice news disconnected.
It's news, if that's what you're talking about. I think he was running down the whole day. Oh, it was, what do you call it? It's a market wrap up. So he was talking about everything in the wrap up of the entire day, everything that went on. I started a new bot in Claude. We'll see what happens. It's a swing trading bot. It's using a bunch of things. We'll see what happens here. I'm going to have it learn from itself. We'll see how that plays out. Jeez. I hope it dips here. That'd be cool to get a dip. Get a dip. Yeah, well, you know what it does is it calls out important news on the day. Like, so if we were trading during the day, like it would tell you, Trump just signed the form before you even find out about the news anywhere else. And then you were able to get in, a position before anyone else. That's why I have it on during the day. But it's usually not talking that much. It usually talks a headline at a time. Like he'll just come on and be like, whatever. It's not a lot. Oh, anybody got any questions? Any questions, anybody? Yeah, man, it's definitely worth it. I think if you were going to hold it, you got to have a decent sized stop overnight. Can you play some song? What do you want me to play, No Life? Yo, I appreciate it, Mason. I tried to make it fun, enjoyable. We absolutely crushed it today. I'm up in all my Quant Tower accounts, all my TradingView accounts. This I blew on news. I YOLO'd. And these are all fundeds that are up. This is the only one that's really down that I traded today. Everything else is up. That was an awesome day. It comes out before looking at the site. Steven. No, but if a move comes out, what caused it and everything else. You definitely want to know what's going on when you're getting moves. All of a sudden you move 50 points and you're like, oh, well, what caused it? It could easily be a news release of anything. Anything. A lot of news recently that's coming out. Gold, I traded gold a lot for a while. Gold's just trending down. Yeah, you're hearing it before anyone kind of sees it. If you're not on the voice, then you're the voice is where it's at. I think it's like almost like 8 seconds, 10 seconds before anyone sees it on the site. I'm going to request a payout from that prop firm, and I'll let you know if they pay me or not. I'm going to request, I think it's $700 tonight I can request. I have another one that's over the buffer for a payout, but I'm only going to request in one, and then the other one I'll build higher. Next gen, I don't know what the I don't know if they're going to pay me, but we'll see. I did $964 in this funded account today. So this is over. I can request a payout. This one I did 284 in. This is over the buffer. And this one's getting close. This I did 360, and these are all funded accounts. Dude, for me, I'm going to show you how I played gold. I literally, I don't know if you play gold like this, but I'm going to show you something that was cool. I play a lot of fibs on gold. I'm not saying that it's the best way to play it, but I don't know why, but once it pulls back, I was playing the fibs like once it pulls back 23.6 and goes below, I was shorting and I was basically targeting down in the yellow in the gap. If for whatever reason it respects the 50 line, I don't know why gold respects it so much, but gold definitely works well off the fibs, or it did for me for a very long time. I'm going to go heavy into a personal gold position, probably somewhere soon. Somewhere soonish. Dude, this is one math. I'm just curious. What is, so this whole move, dude, 2,500 would be fucking wild. Gold was great for a while. The problem is I think gold is just going to trend down for you. The best way to play is when it down, just short it. It's definitely in a downtrend. Like if you're in a personal account, I would take like the previous high as my stop, and I would just I would get a decent entry and I would just short and hold it. I agree on that. I think it's going to trend back down into the under 3,000s. Bro, don't go for max payout, Tommy. Just take your money, bro. Just take the money. You can always get more in 8 days of trading. But you lock the bag if you get the money. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather protect the bag. I always protect the bag, and I can just rather take the money and be like, listen, I'll get more in 8 days. I think it's going to pull back to like 2,500 eventually. No problem, Ace. That's why I don't check my email every day, because no one ever emails me back right away. So that's why I don't check every day, because it's a pain in the ass of just looking constantly. Like I'd rather just let it go for like 3 or 4 days, and then I look and then I do all the emails at once. It's just so much easier that way. Just keeping it reals. When keeping it reals goes real wrong. Yeah, it's not worth it. Just take the money. You can always get the max payout on the next payout. You know, you can always go for the max on the next payout. You don't need to go for the max right now. You know what I'm saying? Everyone feels like they need to go, oh, I want to get the max. Like, just worry about the max on the next one. Also, if you get too many maxes, they probably push you live. So just take what you can get. Take what you get, and you don't get upset. Oh, man. Yeah, I mean, listen, if you got max payout, you're probably going to go live. And then, you know, I don't know what their live program looks like, but it's good to just take payouts and then you kind of start over, and then you take payouts, and you kind of start over. Keeps you going. You know, I don't know what their live program is. Did I hear you think gold's going to 2,500? I did say that. That's my ultimate bounce spot. Why? Are you looking at 2,500 also? I was gonna hook you up with a end of day account of an Apex end of day account. If Mason says he's gonna email me, yo, historically speaking, 2,500 is still high. You do know that, though. Like, this is what gold looked like. Every time you get gold spikes, it dumps. It dumps a significant amount. That was about a 50% dump. So if you take this run up, actually 50% is 32. That's this was an exaggerated freaking move, though. I don't know. I truly believe either way you look at it, I think it's going down to 3,000, maybe right below 3,000. Yo, Cartoon says he dropped his gold indicator in the Discord. If you want it, he published it on TV. Smash the fucking boost button if you're using it. I will look at it. I'll look at it. Somebody said they wanted me to give away a TPT account. I'll do that on Friday. How's that sound? Who wants to do a TPT giveaway on Friday? Yo, I did a Lucid giveaway or a TPT, and somebody asked me to do an Apex giveaway. So I think Jasmine likes Apex. I mix it up. I literally mix it up. Lucid, TPT, Apex. I could throw in a Tradeify account. You want me to do Tradeify maybe? I don't care. It's up to you guys. Yo, it's in the Discord. It's in the AI. There's an AI channel on the AI music channel on the left. Do you see it? You should be able to see it. I'll put it in the... Yo, I'll put it in the main chat. Oh, that brought me to... that should bring you there, though. Yeah, it's on the left. Sean just made it the other day. I want to trade a 5 just because you haven't done one of them. What's A5? See, you don't like TPT. What is A5? It was the only, it's a brand new channel on the side that we're going to put the AI music in. Yo, there is news in there is a news channel on the left. Where the fuck is it? There used to be a news channel on the left. I guess somebody got rid of it. It was basically pulling in financial juice. Bro, somebody doesn't, you don't like Tradeify? All right. Yo, he put it in. Dude, he just put it in the Discord. If anybody wants it, it's free. If anyone wants to hang out tonight, Sean, for an R-rated Anything Goes stream, that's the Asia channel stream for fucking 8 o'clock at night. Bro, TJ, no. I'll accept you right now, man. I'll hit the button. Are you FIFA? I don't. Who's Cameo? I don't. What's your Discord name? Are you in? Discord's a little delayed. All right, hold on. Look. Boom. You should have it right now. You should be able to see it. There you go. It's not writing to my Discord invite somehow. It is empty. I just approved you. I got to like double approve you. You're double approved. Everyone on there should be approved. All good. It takes a second. Discord's delayed. All good. All good. I'm here to help out. I try to help out. I'm customer service. I am the trading guy. I try to help out. I'm the admin in there. Dude, I have to get Claude to start doing it. Yo, MU earnings after hours, TJ. Straight pumped it. I got to work on. I'm working on this today. I have no idea. Oh, I'm on gold. I want to work on this. This is my new. I got to work on this script. Oh, I'll put this in the Discord probably this weekend for free. I just want to. I want to edit some things. Man, I'm freaking exhausted though. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. Can you check again on Discord? What was your Discord name? What's your Discord name? Yo, it's fucking hysterical. Yo, what's your Discord name? All right, I just saw you. I just approved you. Now you should be in and see everything. Yeah, Micron news. Oh. I will be back tomorrow. I do this 9 a.m. to noon, and then again 2 p.m. to 4:30. We'll do a giveaway tomorrow again, like we do every single day. If you want, invite your friends or anybody else you want onto the stream. We had another great day today. I'm going to go request payouts in about an hour or so. And other than that, I'll be in the Discord. I'll try to pop on the stream tonight. The stream tonight is on that other channel. I'll probably try to pop on if you want to go. That's the channel. I'll probably pop on tonight. If you want to support the stream, use code Cove Trader. It works everywhere, including all the prop firms, 7-Eleven when you're getting magnums, CVS for Plan B. You can use it all over the place. All right. I'll see you guys freaking tomorrow. All right. I am out. I am exhausted. Peace.